Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home. Teardrops fell on Mama's note when I read the thing she wrote. She said, we miss you, son, we love you, come on home. Well, I didn't have to pack, I had it all right on my back. Now I'm 500 miles away from home. Away from home, away from home, cold and tired and all alone. Yes, I'm 500 miles away from home. I know this is the same road I took the day I left home, but it sure looks different now. I guess I look different too, 'cause time changes everything. And I wonder what they'll say when they see their boy looking this way. Oh, I wonder what they'll say when I get home. Can't remember when I ate, it's just thumb and walking weight, and I'm still 500 miles away from home. If my luck had been just right, I'd be with them all tonight. But I'm still 500 miles away from home. Away from home, away from home, cold and tired and all alone. Yes, I'm